Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the X3308-150 replace remote for the 2021 upgraded X88 Pro's Android TV box with 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM powered by X3308. This remote, brought to you by X88, boasts seamless compatibility with the Android TV box, making it a hassle-free replacement. No need for any programming, simply pop in two AAA batteries, and you're good to go. The convenience factor is high, especially for those who prefer a quick and straightforward setup. The package includes one remote control with infrared technology. What sets this remote apart is its special features, operating as an IR remote with a maximum support for up to 4 devices. It's designed for televisions, ensuring it covers your essential entertainment needs. The connectivity technology is infrared, ensuring reliable and responsive control. With a user-friendly design, it's easy to navigate, providing a smooth experience. So, if you're in the market for a hassle-free remote replacement for your X88 Pro's Android TV box, the X3308-150 by X88 is worth considering. Let's check it out. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.